There are three specific terms. We define innovation. Innovation is the lifeblood of progress. Second, igniting creativity. Third, pushing boundaries. There is no boundary for innovation. Sky is the limit. It breathes new life into traditional industries and opens doors to possibilities we once deemed impossible. Innovation is the only way we make possible to impossible things, impossible to impossible. For many entrepreneurs, innovation serves as a launchpad for their dreams, transforming groundbreaking ideas into thriving startups. What is innovation? Innovation start from problem. Means one founder, one person go into the society or market. They found out the problem or challenges. Then they propose idea, novel idea that has novelty. Then execute their idea. Means hypothesis testing. And last step is benefits. Means problem, challenges, idea, novelty and benefits. यूटिलिटी बेनिफिट भी होता है, प्रोसेस बेनिफिट भी होता है, प्रोडक्ट बेनिफिट भी होता है, applications of new ideas to solve problems resulting in benefit to user. Solving problems, for example, how do you provide clean drinking water at low cost? This happened by one of our angel investors, Mr. Ratan Tata. How do we convert an existing car into hybrid? That that run from both petrol as well as electric. Implication could be novel to a company, novel to an industry, novel to a country, and novel to a world. The six levers innovations are: first one is value proposition, second one supply chain, third one target customer, fourth product and services, fifth process technology, sixth enabling technology. These are the levers on which innovations are based. Every successful startup begins with a spark of inspiration. These ventures emerge from innovative concepts that challenge the status quo and cater to emerging needs in society. But what does it take to turn an idea into a flourishing business? Many of the hospitals avoid use of papers in huge quantity. Means when patients go to the hospital reception, earlier they fill the form. But now, hospital display a QR code on which registration form is given. And patient attendant easily scan that QR code and fill the registration form. This is a new novelty of an idea. As we have dived deeper into the world where innovation meets startup, you will discover the factors. You will discover the factors that contribute to success. Explore remarkable examples of transformative ideas and learn how aspiring entrepreneurs can navigate challenges on their journey toward building impactful business. Join us as we uncover this exciting intersection. See, to make startup successful, leadership and mentorship both are men because mentors can share their expertise.
57. Thanks, Peter.
Hello, hello, hello. Okay, okay. Now we have to find out the factors that contributing to the success of a startup. First factor, a successful startup. First factor, strong value proposition means it defines what sets your product apart in a crowded market. First factor. Second factor, effective team play a vital role. Means effective team with diverse skills and shared vision, foster innovation and problem solving capability. Effective team has these four qualities. First one, diverse skill. Second one, shared vision. Third one, foster innovation. Fourth one, problem solving capabilities. This team is very effective to make a startup successful. Third factor is market research, which cannot be avoided. You have to understand the needs of a customer, help refine product to meet real demands. Next factor, but not least, is the funding. Access to capital allows startup to scale operation and invest in marketing efforts. Fourth, next factor is adaptability. Adaptability is essential for navigating challenges that arise during the entrepreneurial journey. The ability to pivot when necessary can make all the differences in achieving long-term sustainability. If, if you have wished to retain long-term, you have to skill of adaptability. Each of these, all the above cited factors work together like cogs in a well-oiled machine, driving the startup toward the goal while ensuring the relevance and competitiveness within the industry landscape. Now, top innovations that have led to successful startup. First one, all of you know, cloud computing, which revolutionized data storage and accessibility. In earlier time, we have floppy disk, then pen drive, then CD for data storage. But a revolution in computer industry for data storage is cloud computing. Second innovation, Dropbox leverage this technology to provide seamless file sharing and collaboration. You have need not to carry pen drive, floppy, CD. If you have Dropbox, then you can access all your documents in anywhere of the globe. Next innovation is another game changer is artificial intelligence. Companies such as ChatGPT have transformed customer service by using AI for real-time assistance, minimizing response time while enhancing user experience. Next, blockchain technology also paved the way of innovative ventures. Cryptocurrencies emerged from it, giving birth to platforms like Coinbase that facilitate secure transactions and trading. Next, renewable energy sources. Okay. And government support these startups like solar system. Yeah. Renewable energy sources are gaining traction. Solar panel innovation led companies like Sunrun to reshape how we approach sustainable living and energy consumption. Next, type of entrepreneurs. At first slide, I have discussed. There are two types of entrepreneurs. First one is small business owner and second one is startup founder. Small business owner focus on local market. What is the needs in our area? These are small business owners. Second type is startup founder. They aim for rapid growth and disruptive innovation. There are two types of innovation. Now, how these innovations were converted into business ventures, transforming innovation into successful business venture often starts with identifying a market need. I'm repeating all the time that first you have the capability to identify the problem in your society or needs of the market. Okay. Entrepreneurs observe gap in the existing services or products, tailoring their ideas to fill these gaps. Successful entrepreneurs observe, identify gap in existing services or products. In 19th century, there are landline phones. Okay? From landline phone, people communicate with each other. But what is the problem? When person go outside, they cannot communicate with their relatives or friends or other persons because landline landline phone cannot be movable. Then entrepreneurs identify the problems and discover the idea of mobile. And you can carry everywhere these mobiles. In initial stage of mobile discovery, only keypad mobiles were using, and from that mobile you can only send the message and communicate with others. But nowadays, mobile phone converted into smartphone means you can run any any program that needs to a laptop or desktop. You can run any program in your mobile. You can make transaction, financial transaction in a very simple way. This is known as innovation. So, successful entrepreneurs, what they why they successful? Because they observe gap in existing service or products and tailoring their idea to fill these voids. Next comes the development phase. Prototyping and testing allow innovators to refine their concept. Means hypothesis testing or prototype testing or idea testing. Each iterative process is crucial for ensuring that the final product meets consumer expectations. Next step, funding plays a vital role as well. Many startups seek venture capitalists or angel investors who believe in their vision. Crowdfunding has also emerged as an effective way to gather financial support customer base early on. Now, innovation started from idea validation, means idea testing or hypothesis testing or prototype testing. Then make a business plan, then prototype building, then secure funding, then assemble a team, team with diverse skills. Shared vision, foster innovation, and problem solving capabilities. Next, establish a legal entity. What are the regulatory compliances are there in your country? Then you have to establish a legal entity, then protect intellectual property, then network and mentoring, networking and mentoring, then launch and iterate, then scale and grow. Innovations, when you complete these all steps, then your innovation converted into a startup. Basic step, basic step to convert innovation into startup. First one is innovation, converted into idea validation, converted into business plan, converted into prototype, converted into funding. So funding, Department of Science and Technology, Government of India, Startup India, Venture Capital. These are the funding agencies which provide financial support to novel innovation. Then, after funding, you have to build a team, make your company registration, means private limited LLP. Then, after company registration, you have to develop your product. Then, after development of your product, you have to marketing and sales. Then, customer feedback, then iteration and improvement, then scale and growth, then successful startup. These are the steps from which innovation can be converted into a successful startup. Yes, top innovation that have led to successful startup. Requirement, actually, these are the requirements of an innovation that have led to successful startup. First one is networking cannot be underestimated. Okay. If you become a successful startup entrepreneur, then networking is mandatory. Building relationship within industry circle opens doors for partnership and mentorship opportunities. Further solidifying the startup foundation. Means partnership and mentorship which give support to your startup. So, network, then innovators who recognize the potential of their ideas and take action are the ones who turn innovation into successful startup. Who are the innovators who recognize the potential of their idea? Yeah. They identify a market need, develop a solution, and create a business model to bring their innovation to the world. Third, needs marketing strategy are employed to introduce innovation to potential customers effectively. A strong online presence can create buzz and drive initial sales, setting the stage for growth. And now, turning an innovation into a successful startup requires a combination of factors that include solid business plan, market research, and strong team. These are the pillars of your of a startup. Let's take a closer look at how these innovations were converted into thriving business. Challenges faced by startup in implementing innovative ideas. What are the challenges? Now comes to challenges. Startup often face numerous hurdles when trying to implement innovative ideas. First hurdle is securing adequate funding. Investors, your angel investors may be hesitate to back unproven concept leading to difficulties in turning vision and reality. Another challenge is market validation. Startups must accurately gauge consumer interest and demand for their innovation. Misjudging this can result in wasted resources on a product that ultimately fail to resonate with the audience. Now, while the potential for success is high, startups face numerous challenges when implementing innovative ideas. These include talent acquisition, also present challenge. Innovative projects require skilled individuals who are not only